Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna talk about something that's been boggling my mind lately. What would happen if the moon suddenly became the same size as the Earth? First off, let's talk about how big the moon is currently. It's about 1/4 the size of the entire Earth, and it weighs around 73 billion kilograms. On the other hand, the Earth weighs a whopping 5.97 trillion kilograms. Now imagine that the moon suddenly grew to become the same size as the Earth. The gravitational pull of the moon is already significant enough to cause the tides on Earth. But if it became as large as the Earth, the gravitational field would increase so much that it could cause devastating natural disasters. For instance, the gravitational pull of the two bodies would cause massive earthquakes around the world. Think San Andreas Fault, but much, much worse. Also, the increased gravitational pull could have catastrophic effects on our atmosphere. We could experience severe storms, hurricanes, and tornadoes as a result. The winds could reach disastrous speeds that could tear apart buildings and uproot trees. Another effect of the increased gravitational force would be the tidal changes. Currently, the gravitational pull of the moon causes the tides to rise and fall twice a day. But if the moon were larger, the tides would be bigger and would have a greater impact on coastal areas. Entire regions could be submerged by the rising tides, and the destruction caused by the waves would be devastating. Finally, let's take a look at the effects of a larger moon on our planet's rotation. The Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, while the moon orbits the Earth once every 27.3 days. But if the moon were the same size as the Earth, it would cause a significant drag on our planet and slow down the rotation. So, a day on Earth might stretch to 30 or 40 hours, leading to a host of unforeseen consequences. In conclusion, if the moon were to suddenly become the size of the Earth, we'd be in for some wild ride. Earthquakes, storms, tidal waves, and disruptions in the Earth's rotation would cause unimaginable devastation. But fortunately, we don't have to worry about this happening anytime soon. So, let's just sit back and enjoy the moon's beauty from afar.